Hello and welcome to your Calgary real estate statistics in 1 minute or less. My name is Michael Montgomery. I'm the broker with Renzo Real Estate, and today we are looking at January of 2018. So what are we seeing? We're seeing very similar numbers to what we saw in January 2017. We do like to compare to very similar times in the year because of course you can't compare January to number of sales in spring. We did see a decrease in benchmark price by 0.25%, and we're seeing an increase still in inventory. So that is going to cause a more downward pressure on prices. It's not all bad, it's great for buyers. There's some inventory coming out there, and as a seller you just have to remain competitive on your pricing and on your marketing strategy. There's still buyers out there scooping up properties. It's just a matter of being very realistic with your pricing and having it shine on the market. Thank you very much for watching this. We'll see you next month.